Okay, today we're making crispy fried pork chops. The recipe for these pork chops is below in the comments section. I've got a Ziploc bag, and in the Ziploc bag we're going to add in a sprig of fresh thyme, 1 clove of garlic smashed, 3 tablespoons of Swerve Brown. It used to be with regular brown sugar, but now Swerve Brown will do, and 3 tablespoons of kosher salt, and in that goes. And then I've got some ice water here, 4 cups of ice water. And that dissolves pretty fast, actually. So for the pork chops, I'm using a bone-in sirloin, and the butcher has cut that fairly thin on his bandsaw. So I'm going to put that into the bag, and this particular brine recipe, I've been working on this one. We've had this for years in competition, but the 3 and the 4 cups of water, we're going to brine that for exactly 2 hours. It's good for chicken parts and especially pork chops like this. So I've submerged all of that. I'm going to burp the air out, just like that. That's nice cold water. Good brine. See, that's dissolved already. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it into the fridge for exactly 2 hours. And then when the 2 hours are up, I'm going to take it out and put it into a colander to let it drip dry. So I'll see you in 2 hours. Okay, so our pork chops have come out of the brine, and I put them into a colander and let them drip dry. I'm going to take a paper bag. And I've got some carbalose flour. It's low carb. You can't use real flour, but carbalose is fine. I've got some garlic powder, some onion salt, and some fresh cracked pepper. And this is my version. This is what I really enjoy. I think it has the right amount of spice and salt and garlic, and so that's mixed up. What I'm going to do now is take the pork chops, and they're still kind of gummy or gooey from the brine and sitting. So I'm just going to shake them around. Perfect. Just going to put it onto a plate. Shake off the excess, just rest it on a plate. Put my cast iron pan on and start that. I'm just going to go with a pretty high heat, actually. I want to be around 350, 375 degrees. And you can use your oil of choice. I normally use a refined coconut oil. It has a really high burn point, but today I'm using some lard. That's all keto friendly. And okay, I just know from experience that this is the right temperature right now. And I'm going to take the chops, and you can see how it kind of goes gummy, and that's what I want. And when we set that in there, that's a beautiful fry right there. So I'm just going to fry them probably about, I'm going to say about 6-7 minutes per side till it's golden brown. Watch your heat, you don't want it too hot, but a nice 350, 375 is really good. And don't mess with it too much, but you want to make sure that it's nice and crispy, and then we'll flip it. Okay, I like that. It looks pretty good. I just took a little peek on the other side there. So I'm going to flip that over. Yeah, I've got some really nice looking crispy fat and coating. Flip that over. And we'll go for another 5-6 minutes till it's cooked. It'll be cooked within like 10 minutes, but I just go for the color on the outside, and then you can let it sit. It still continues to cook after you bring it off. So we'll just we'll just leave that there like that. There you go. I like that a lot. So what I'm going to do is just pull them out. That's like totally cooked. Let's put them on the old bag there. You can see how that's cooked. I'm going to let that sit until I'm ready to serve. And yeah, the brine is absolutely amazing. It makes it so tender. Even if you get a tough cut of pork, right? It makes it so juicy, and I really like brines. So I'm going to serve that with some, probably a Greek salad tonight, and of course, some of my keto applesauce. That's going to be delicious. That's my crispy fried pork. Thanks for watching.